Hi! Welcome back, my dear viewers. Today, we have a delightful and nutritious topic to discuss: blueberries. These tiny, vibrant fruits have a fascinating history and are packed with incredible health benefits. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipes and some of my berry jokes. Blueberries bloom, a burst of blue, nature's jewels, a delightful view. With every taste, a sweet surprise, nature's bounty, in small size. Native to North America, these delicious berries were cherished by indigenous communities for their flavor and medicinal properties. In fact, Native Americans called blueberries star berries and believed they were sent by the Great Spirit. Native Americans used blueberries in traditional ceremonies, food preparation, and as a natural remedy for various ailments. They would eat them fresh or dry them to preserve them for winter months. They also used blueberries to make teas, juices, jams, and dyes. When European settlers came to North America in the 17th century, they too learned about the native blueberry. Blueberries became an important part of colonial life and were enjoyed for their sweet taste and abundant availability. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that blueberries gained widespread recognition and popularity. In the early 1900s, researchers discovered the incredible nutritional value of blueberries, leading to the commercial cultivation of this superfood. Today, blueberries are grown commercially all over the world. The top producers are the United States, Canada, and Chile, making them accessible to people worldwide. Today, blueberries are grown in various regions around the world, from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond, making them a global favorite. But wild blueberries still grow in abundance in many parts of North America. Now, let's talk about why these colorful berries are so good for you. Blueberries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants help protect our cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Brain health. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries may have a positive impact on brain health. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Heart health. Blueberries are heart-friendly fruits. Their high levels of anthocyanins, fiber, and potassium help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Digestive health. Blueberries are a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy gut. They can help prevent constipation and maintain bowel regularity. Immune system support. Blueberries contain vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Eye health. Blueberries contain nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Blood sugar management. Blueberries have a low glycemic index and may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for individuals with diabetes. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in blueberries possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate certain inflammatory conditions. Blueberries have a rich history and provide many scientifically proven health benefits. So next time you see these little blue gems, enjoy some knowing you are doing something good for your body. Now that we know about the history and health benefits, let's explore some delicious ways to incorporate blueberries into our diet. Fresh snack. Simply enjoy a handful of fresh blueberries as a quick and nutritious snack. This way, blueberries are the most nutritious and healthiest for our body. Easy and delicious fresh fruit mix ball with blueberries. Blueberry and raspberry smoothie. Recipe: 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of fresh raspberries, 2 cups of whole milk Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Directions: mix all ingredients in the blender until smooth. Your healthy smoothie is ready. Delicious. Of warm summer days, juicy berries, tasty fun for everyone. Salads. Toss some fresh blueberries into your salads for a pop of color and a sweet tart flavor. Breakfast boost. Sprinkle blueberries on your oatmeal, sprouts or yogurt to add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your morning meal. And there you have it, the incredible history and health benefits of blueberries. From their rich Native American heritage to their modern-day superfood status, these tiny berries continue to amaze us with their goodness. And it is time for my berry jokes. What is Blueberry's favorite type of music? Blues. Why does Blueberry feel sad? Because she is always blue. What do you call a blueberry that's a rapper? Lil Berry. What is Blueberry's favorite song? Blue Christmas. What blueberry's trying to escape? The blueberry jam jar. When blueberries get separated from red raspberries, what song will they sing? I feel blue, blue. Without you. What is Blueberry's favorite dance? Rock and roll. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Blueberries in summertime, in nature's symphony, a fleeting chime, a season's gift, in every rhyme. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.